Have you ever wondered how to use an eSIM in your iPhone 15 Pro Max? In the next 6 minutes, uncover this tech mystery and discover the ease of utilizing an eSIM in your smartphone. First things first, what exactly is an eSIM? Well, an eSIM, or electronic SIM, is a digital version of a physical SIM card. It's a small chip inside your phone that works in the same way as a traditional SIM card. The key difference? There's no need to physically insert or swap it. Now, how can you use an eSIM in your iPhone 15 Pro Max? Start by going to the Settings menu on your phone. Navigate to Cellular, then select Add Cellular Plan. Your phone will then start the camera, prompting you to scan the QR code provided by your carrier. No QR code? No problem. Choose Enter Details manually at the bottom of your screen. You'll need to input the information provided by your carrier, which usually includes the SMDP Plus address, activation code, and possibly a confirmation code. Once you've entered this information, select Next. Your iPhone will confirm the setup, and voila, you've successfully added an eSIM to your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, how about managing your eSIM settings? Go back to Settings, then Cellular. Here, you'll see your plans. The primary plan is usually labeled Primary, and the eSIM plan will be labeled with whatever name you gave it during setup. Tapping on a plan will give you options such as turning cellular data on or off, choosing which number to use for calls and messages, or setting a preferred line for cellular data. In conclusion, using an eSIM on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is a straightforward process. It begins with adding a cellular plan in your Settings menu, either by scanning a QR code or entering details manually. After successfully setting up, you can manage your eSIM settings under the same Settings menu. The eSIM revolution is here, bringing with it the convenience of digital simplicity. So go ahead, take that leap into the future with your iPhone 15 Pro Max.